Elaine Thompson-Herah beat Sha'Carri Richardson at the Prefontaine Classic in the United States. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So, reigning Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah won the women's 100 meter at the Prefontaine Classic in Eugene, Oregon on Saturday, on the same track that hosted the World Championship back in July. The Jamaican Elaine Thompson-Herah crossed the finish line in a season best of 10.79 seconds, a year after she blazed a personal best of 10.54 seconds at the venue, to bolster the position she already held as the second fastest ever behind the 1988 10.49 world record belonging to the late Florence Griffiths Joyner of the United States. Rising USA star Sha'Carri Richardson, who finished last in the event last year after returning from a 30-day suspension, clipped Jamaica's Olympic 100-meter bronze medalist Sha'Carri Jackson at the finish line in a loaded field to finish second this time around, as both sprinters registered 10.92 seconds. Sha'Carri and Sha'Carri Jackson also finished this event at their seasonal best times. Britain's World 200-meter champion Diana Asher-Smith finished fourth in a seasonal best of 10.98 seconds. Jamaica's Brianna Williams finished last in a time of 11.20 seconds. Thompson-Herah was satisfied with the victory, even though she had a bit of a late start and she did not really give it that all, as you could see in the actual race itself. But all I can say, congratulations goes out once more to Jamaica. And when I look at this race, I can tell you that this is one of those races that we really need to be start focusing on. And when we look at how Sha'Carri Richardson really pulled out in this race, it seemed as if she's back on form and ready to deliver some spectacular performance. But many people became very shocked at this result of her placing second, considering what happened in the past. But I can tell you that she's delivered a wonderful performance, and congratulations as well goes out to her. As you know, she has been getting some real serious bashing on social media from the various events that she have participated in so far, and especially the one that she came last against Jamaica's athletes as well. And then she came and she did her video that she's not done yet, and that video actually went viral. Well, I guess she came and she proved herself today, and just goes to show you that this individual, she really had what it takes in order to deliver some real competition to come. So we can't take this for granted right now based on her spectacular performance. We just have to wait and see what she has to deliver to the world. This is where I believe we're going to leave this report though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. Peace out, bless, and have a productive day from the Links TV team.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.